El-Rufai denies corruption allegations. Return to politics 2027. Former Kaduna State Governor Malam Nasir El-Rufai has vehemently denied allegations of corruption during his tenure, saying he's willing to swear by the Holy Quran to prove his innocence and challenge his predecessors and current leaders to do the same. He also described politics as a lifelong venture, saying he will return to politics in 2027. I intend to run to politics in 2027 after completing my studies. There is no retirement in politics. By the will of Allah, we will return and continue serving the people. El-Rufai's denial comes amidst allegations by the Kaduna State House of Assembly that 423 billion naira was stolen or misappropriated under El-Rufai's watch as the governor of the state. The former Kaduna State governor revealed that he didn't join politics to steal money or enrich himself, that he was satisfied with what he had before becoming governor. El-Rufai emphasized that his administration had been accused without concrete evidence, and his allies were being targeted by the Independent Corrupt Practices Commission (ICPC) and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). He added that he had instructed his lawyers to take legal action against those tarnishing his name. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news stories. We'll keep you updated as this story develops.